sa mga 10 minutes before umalis siya ngayon. Nasa second stop na.
Wheeler Bus to Mount Fuji, everything you need to know. We bought our bus ticket in advance via their website. We'll be including the link in the description box below. So first thing that you need to do is to click guest and register as a new member. Then just input your details to accomplish, then log in. After this, go back to the main page, scroll down until you see the highway bus seat availability, then input your destination. So for us, we will be coming from Tokyo, then going to Mount Fuji. So we inputted Yamanashi. Pick your departure date, then click search. For this one, the list is in departure time early order. So when you scroll down, there are many options on where you can depart from in Tokyo and their corresponding time schedule. You can choose Shibuya Station, Prince Hotel, Ikebukuro Station, Shinjuku, Tokyo Station. So, technically, anywhere your hotel is near, you may choose that boarding place. For us, this is what we did. We boarded in Tokyo Station Yaesu South Exit and alighted in Fuji-Q Highland Bus Terminal. So the nearest boarding place from our first hotel, which is Remroppongi, is Tokyo Station Yaesu South Exit. Then our next hotel in Fuji is Highland Resort Hotel and Spa. So the nearest alighting place is Fuji-Q Highland Bus Terminal. Then just input number of passengers. So for us, 1 male and 3 females. Then click go to select a plan. As you can see here, the fee is 2,200 Japanese yen per head for adults, but prices vary by departure point and season, ranging from 1,600 to 3,400 yen. So after you confirm the details here, and go to purchase. We'll share another video soon with more details on how to book your return to Tokyo, along with additional tips.
Pababa na kami ng bus. Lunch at UA. We'll catch a bus to go to Kawaguchiko Station. Kukunin yun. Hi! Dapat doon tayo eh. Tara. Check out the view. Wow. Dito tayo sa initan. Ang lamig eh. Ang lamig. Ay, sorry. Yan o. Grabe. Nasa harap ng Highland. Diyan yung Fuji. Tapos, nandiyan na yung Fuji-Q. Grabe, ang ganda. Antay lang tayo ng bus dito. Touchdown. Kawaguchika Station. Yeah, ang daming tao. Hanapin na natin yung rent a car, Toyota. But tourist information muna tayo to check kung saan siya. Here. Walking to Toyota car rental. Lamig. Pero ang araw. Malamig siya na hindi eh. Kasi nga maaraw. Pagdalakan na lang tayo. Sa likod si Mount Fuji. Ako yung lalakaran. Ganda. See you tomorrow sana ulit. Ito na yung Toyota. Ang bilis. Driving! Ay, salit na. Pero okay naman, no?
Oo.
Ano naman siya, matic? Ayan na, nakadrive na. Diba?
Hindi na lang.
Kain! Hurry! Kain! Kukulichiban yan! Papa! Kukulichiban na Fuji! Yung kalunado para mag-rotate na dito. Which is yung akin. Sarap ng 3.
Ha?
573.
Tumangan.
Sarap? Sarap eh. Thank you for the recommendation.
Hindi ko alam kung pork yung
Never ko na.
kinakain ko sa Pilipinas.
Never ko ito na-try sa Pilipinas. Kaya din ba ngayon na nagkaka-ichiban? Wow, first time natin sa Japan. Wow. Sa Japan pa, hindi sa Philippines.
Hindi na iba.
Baka pagdating sa Pilipinas, hindi ako na mag-drive.
Manibago ka na, no?
We're at Oshinohakai. Ang dami ng tao.
Bonsai.
Pero ang ganda ngayon. Ang dami na talagang tao, guys. Pero look. Wow. Wow, Sobrang clear ng tubig. Ayan pa, oh. Di mo kita?
Ang laki nga, oh.
Wow. Ganda. Wow, ang laki ng isda, oh. Ayun, oh. Dilaw.
Nag-i-install ba na siya dati? May bayad?
Ah, may bayad. 300.
Dito ko tayo.
Muna tayo.
Gumilid muna. Strolling, strolling. Wala pang ano.
Cherry blossom.
Sabi ko
Kasi late
na
daw,
eh.
diba?
Pero ang ganda dito. Peaceful. Enjoy nature lang.